1. Water. Water is the foundation of life and the most essential drink during intermittent fasting. The body's primary fluid medium supports numerous physiological processes, aiding digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. Since it is neutral regarding nutrients, it doesn't impact insulin or blood sugar levels, making it suitable for all fasting goals. Ensuring clean water is crucial. Tap water with contaminants should be avoided. 2. Herbal tea. Herbal teas are another excellent choice during intermittent fasting. They offer a range of flavors and potential health benefits without disrupting fasting goals. Most herbal teas contain no calories, sugars, or stimulants, making them suitable for weight loss, insulin resistance, and autophagy. However, be cautious about additives. Opt for natural, non-artificial options. Chamomile, peppermint, ginger, and rooibos are popular herbal teas that can soothe digestion and promote relaxation. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has gained attention for its potential health benefits and aligns well with intermittent fasting. It has negligible calories and doesn't stimulate insulin. Some believe it aids digestion and may have metabolic benefits, but these effects can vary between individuals. While it's generally safe to consume during fasting, remember it's not a magical solution. If you include apple cider vinegar, opt for the unfiltered, raw, organic version with the mother intact. Incorporate it mindfully, perhaps diluting a small amount of water, and monitor how it resonates with your body. 4. Green tea. Green tea is a popular beverage with potential health perks, making it a consideration for intermittent fasting. It contains some caffeine, but far less than coffee. The caffeine content could mildly impact insulin and adrenal response, especially in sensitive individuals. If you're mindful of caffeine's effects, green tea in moderation can be suitable. It may even offer antioxidants and metabolism-boosting properties. However, remember that excessive green tea could accumulate caffeine intake. Aim for moderate consumption, aligning with your fasting goals, and consider its impact on your body's responses. 5. Black tea. Like green tea, black tea contains caffeine, which can affect insulin, adrenals, and blood sugar. With roughly double the caffeine content of green tea, its impact could be more pronounced. For those less sensitive to caffeine, a moderate intake of black tea is generally fine during intermittent fasting. However, if you notice heightened responses like anxiety or blood sugar fluctuations, it might be wise to limit consumption. Always gauge your body's reactions and adjust your choices to ensure a seamless fasting experience supporting your health goals. 6. Coffee. Coffee is a staple for many, but its role in intermittent fasting requires consideration. Coffee's caffeine content can stimulate adrenal responses, influencing some individuals' insulin and blood sugar levels. While moderate coffee consumption is usually acceptable, being aware of your body's reactions is vital. If coffee disrupts your fasting goals, consider reducing intake or opting for decaffeinated versions. Additionally, steer clear of sugary additives that could negate fasting benefits. Coffee can be a helpful ally during fasting, but mindfulness is critical to ensure it supports, rather than hinders, your desired outcomes. 7. Bulletproof coffee. Bulletproof coffee has gained popularity among intermittent fasters. While it doesn't significantly impact insulin or blood sugar when prepared correctly, it's essential to be mindful of its calorie content. Adding fats like coconut oil or butter can quickly become a caloric beverage. A cup or two within your caloric limits is generally okay, but excessive consumption might hinder fat burning during fasting. Bulletproof coffee can be a helpful energy source, but remember its intended use as an addition to fasting, not a replacement for nutrient-dense meals. 8. Cream. With its high fat content, the cream has minimal impact on insulin, making it a viable choice for intermittent fasting. When consumed in moderation, cream can complement your fasting goals, adding richness to coffee or tea without disrupting fat burning. However, ensure portion control as excessive intake could contribute to a calorie surplus. Cream's compatibility with fasting aligns well with its minimal insulin response. Be mindful of balance and remember that the cream's fat content makes it a beneficial option, especially when seeking satiety during fasting periods. 9. Skim milk. Skim milk's reputation as a healthy choice can be misleading during intermittent fasting. Despite its lower fat content, skim milk is high in sugar and protein, stimulating insulin release. This undermines fasting goals, especially for insulin resistance and autophagy. Opt for cream or milk alternatives with fewer carbohydrates and insulin-stimulating components. Skim milk's impact on blood sugar and insulin makes it less suitable for fasting, so choose beverages that align better with your intended outcomes. 10. Milk alternatives. Milk alternatives like almond milk or cashew milk offer a lower carbohydrate option than traditional milk. Their minimal impact on insulin and blood sugar levels makes them compatible with intermittent fasting. However, check labels to ensure they are free from added sugars or artificial ingredients. While they're generally suitable, moderation remains essential. Their creamy texture can enhance beverages, but too much could contribute to caloric intake. Aim for limited consumption to stay aligned with fasting goals, enjoying their taste and versatility without disrupting your progress. 11. Bone broth. Bone broth's nutrient-rich composition offers potential benefits, but its compatibility with fasting goals varies. While its minimal carbohydrate content won't significantly impact insulin, its protein content could affect autophagy. Bone broth contains collagen and gut-healing compounds, making it a valuable addition to your diet. For insulin-focused goals, bone broth is a sound choice. However, if autophagy is a priority, consider its protein content. While it may slightly disrupt autophagy, its nutritional benefits still make it worthwhile during fasting. 12. Alcohol. Alcohol poses challenges during intermittent fasting. While it might not dramatically affect insulin or blood sugar, its impact on the liver contradicts fasting goals. Both weight loss and insulin resistance management depend on liver function, and alcohol strains the liver. Moreover, alcohol's potential to interrupt autophagy makes it unsuitable for fasting. Prioritize your liver's health and fasting objectives by avoiding alcohol during fasting periods. 13. Green juice. Green juices, crafted from fresh leafy greens, offer valuable nutrients. However, their impact on fasting goals depends on timing and consumption. Due to their sugar content, they can spike insulin if consumed during fasting windows. Enjoy green juice as part of meals for insulin resistance and weight loss. Yet, for autophagy, their sugar content might impede the process. Consuming them around meals and being mindful of sugar content can help you incorporate the benefits of green juice without compromising your fasting goals. 14. Coconut water. Coconut water, although rich in minerals, contains significant sugar content. Its sugar concentration makes it unsuitable for fasting goals. While it might seem healthier than conventional sugary beverages, its impact on blood sugar and insulin makes it a less favorable option during intermittent fasting. Prioritize beverages that align with your fasting intentions and maintain steady blood sugar and insulin levels. 15. Store-bought juice. Store-bought juices, despite claims of healthiness, often contain high sugar levels. These sugars trigger insulin responses that conflict with fasting objectives. Even if the juice is labeled as natural or fortified, pasteurization can degrade its nutritional value. Opt for whole fruits or vegetables instead of processed juices to obtain their benefits without compromising fasting goals. Prioritize beverages that support your fasting intentions while nourishing your body with essential nutrients. There you have it, your comprehensive guide to navigating drinks during intermittent fasting. Remember, the right beverage choices can significantly impact your fasting journey, aligning with your goals. If you found this breakdown helpful and insightful, hit that like button and share it with anyone embarking on their intermittent fasting adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content on health, wellness, and making the most of your journey toward well-being.